Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm kind of working on this one. I removed the emblem. That's because I'm gonna paint it. So these are the plates that I was talking to you guys about. You can see these ones painted black, and actually they look way better. The decal is the same, but you know, the plate is actually painted black. So if you want to do this instead of the vinyl, I'll have a kit for this in the description or somewhere up here. Hit this link and it'll take you to buy this lettering. This is what's it called, reflective vinyl, so it reflects the light pretty cool. And you can buy just the lettering, not the black vinyl, because sometimes when you stretch the vinyl too much, this is what's gonna happen. You know, I stretched the vinyl too much right here. So if that happened to me, you know, I'm pretty sure it happened to some of you. Not the back plate. The back plate did not suffer from this because I did not stretch it that much, but I was having a lot of bubbles right here, so I had to stretch this one a little bit more. So that's what caused it. So you won't have the problem if you paint them. So like I said, they look pretty cool. This one I made the California smaller. I'll probably have to remove it and then, you know, use a normal size like that one. But for now, it's raining. I don't know if I should paint the wheels black, guys. I think I should. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section. Should I paint the wheels black or just leave them the way it is? So for now, I'm gonna paint the emblem because I don't want it blue and chrome. I don't know if I should do it the whole black, or I don't know. I'll think of something right now. Also, I'm gonna add the hood decals again. I had them on this side, and well, I removed them because I didn't like them. So I'm gonna add some new ones, maybe on the top part of the. I had them right here before on the side, so probably I will add them right here on the top. 2 of them, and then that. I'm also gonna tint the windows. So that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna continue painting this. So please let me know if you think the truck will look better with the wheels black, because right now they're chrome. There they are, and I kind of like them chrome, but I kind of hate them at the same time. So it's like, it's really hard to understand, but I'm kind of in the middle. But I kind of hate the chrome and at the same time like them. You know, it's kind of weird, but oh well. Let me know what you guys think so far. It looks like this because the hood is open. That's why it looks that gap and that. So I had to open it to remove the bolts behind the emblem so I could let it release it. So, and I have it right here. Here it is. So most likely I'm gonna paint it. I'll find a way to remove that blue, or maybe I'll just paint the whole thing. I don't know, we'll see. Okay guys, so I sanded it down already. You can't tell on the chrome. Okay, maybe you can. So now I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna use some acetone first, and then I'm just gonna clean everything with this grease and a wax remover. And then I'm gonna apply some adhesive promoter because this is plastic, and I think the chrome part is plastic also, but maybe covered with a thin layer of flashing, or I don't know what that is, but adhesion promoter won't hurt it. So I'm gonna add some and then just paint it. Okay guys, so there it is, clean. Adhesion promoter is drying. You can see the adhesion promoter, and we've been already 5 minutes through, so another 5 minutes and I'm gonna start applying Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch black paint. Okay guys, so it's been a little bit over more than 5 minutes, more like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna start hitting it with the black paint like really far away, kind of just like small mist like that. Okay guys, like I said, it's raining, kind of cold. It's been already like 9 minutes, no less, like maybe 6 minutes, but the paint seems to be still kind of tacky, so I'm gonna turn the heat gun on for a bit and help it dry. Another thing guys, you see I use a lot of these cardboards I mean from the mail. I use them to ship like bigger decals and stuff like that, so these are free. You go on their website and you get a lot of free stuff like tape and boxes and a lot of these cardboard cylinder looking like boxes. So that's why I have all kinds of these right there. I have more packages. Like I said, they're free and I need them to ship out things and sometimes for this type of stuff. Okay guys, the emblem is completely dry. Now you saw me cut the vinyl, so now I'm gonna bring the logo and try to put it on the emblem in white, and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, there it is. There it is. I kind of don't like it though. I had something else in mind. Maybe I should have went white, the whole emblem white and just the black letters. I don't know. It looks different than what it was. I think it looked better before, but oh well. It is what it is. I'm gonna leave it like that for a while, and as soon as I'm tired of seeing it, I'll just replace it. Now I'm gonna work on the hood decals. So let me see how that goes. Don't mind that van. I think you guys saw some of it already. If you haven't, I'll probably be uploading the video, but it's not my van. I think I showed you guys. I don't remember if I did, but well, that's the bumper. But right now I'm focusing on the Ford, and like I said, I'm gonna do the decals on the hood. I have them already. I already cut them, black vinyl, and that's what I'm gonna do on each side. I was gonna put no lettering, but I was like, I'm just gonna write something on there, so we'll see how it looks. There it is. I'm gonna clean this side so I can install the decal. It's raining, but honestly the rain doesn't harm the decal at all. I've done decals that are pretty big, and the only way to install them is using water. So well, not the only way to install them, but an easier way to install these big decals is it's water. So you'll see right now how this thing goes. Okay guys, I got one installed. You could hardly see it, but let me install the next one and I'll bring it outside to see how it looks. Okay guys, so I'm done with the decals. There it is. They're kind of too spread out, but oh well, it is what it is. I'm not gonna remove them, I'm just gonna leave them there. I kind of like the ones that were on this side better. Or is it just me? I don't know. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Like always, I want to know what you guys think. Or maybe the square on the front might help also, or maybe bringing the whole square to the front like that. I don't know. I don't know, but oh well. That's it for today. We'll see if I could, you know, tint the windows tomorrow. What's up, guys? Today's Sunday morning, so I'm gonna try to tint the windows on the truck, the two side windows and the rear one, all 5%. And yeah, let me get to it. Gotta clean the outside too, guys. Okay, guys, so on the inside, I removed the whole panel because I want to go lower than the edge of this little gasket, because I don't want that gasket rubbing on the tint, because it might start removing it. So I want to go lower than that so that thing won't bother it every time I lower or raise the glass. So that's pretty much what I wanted. Now I'm gonna start cutting it from the outside. Okay, guys, so I'm cutting the shape already. It's kind of starting to sprinkle, so I'm gonna remove it and apply it in the front and probably work from the inside of the truck now and close the door. I don't want to get wet. And just like the decal, I'm pretty sure the water won't harm the tint. So okay, guys, got one side. I'm just gonna hit it with the heat gun just a bit to get some of the imperfections, some of the bubbles, and kind of dry it out a bit. But it's raining, so probably have to wait, but we'll see. Check that out, guys. The tint went on perfectly. I mean, it's still kind of wet. You can see some water bubbles that I need to take out, but I don't want to get wet. And it's raining, guys. I mean, this is crazy. Check it out. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's raining, man. What's up, guys? Today's Tuesday. Worked only a couple hours because it's kind of raining and can't work on the rain. But I'm driving the Mini. And for those of you that because some of you asked me, the thing with the Mini is that it's not mine anymore. I'm driving it right now, as you can see. Driving the Mini. I'm driving it on the left side, as you guys can see, but it's not the left side. It's because the selfie camera, that's the way it comes out. That's the way it's recording. Everything's mirrored. So basically the Mini is my dad's now. It belongs to my dad. The F-150 was my dad's, but he wanted the Mini Cooper, and you know we traded vehicles. I kept the F-150, he kept the Mini. It's all good. So that's why the Mini's not mine no more. I haven't been doing nothing to the Mini. That's why that's why you started seeing the F-150 more on my videos. That's why it hasn't been in my videos. The truck has been, was being used as a work truck for my dad. He was the one driving it, and so now it was mine. It's mine. So that's basically it. That's why the Mini hasn't been coming out in any more of my videos. And I'm backing up, guys. There we go. So basically now what I'm doing, like you guys have been seeing, is trying to get the F-150 prettier and the E90. So now I'm just gonna concentrate completely on the E90. I gotta get it back on the road. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did so, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe if you can, and Well, I want to take another little moment to thank the people that have bought decals out of my big cartel shop online for the decals. And these are the people: Anthony Suarez, Matthias Simolin, and sorry if I chopped up your last name or your name, or if I pronounced it wrong. Then Diego Silva, Josue Ramos, Yurick Ray, Felicity Blakely. So those are the people that have bought decals out of my big cartel shop online, like I said. So I'll leave the link in the description so you guys go check them out. I don't have that much decals. There's probably like 4 or 5 decals only. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much for the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.